Hello guys, today we are going to solve the question tower shutdown. It is medium level question. In this question, as you can see here is a problem statement for a given question. The question is trying to say there is Alice and Bob and they have a given futuristic battlefield where towers are controlled by a binary switch. Each tower can be either active 1 or inactive 0. In this question, our mission is to flip its our mission to deactivate all tower, flip its state 1 to 0 or 0 to 1. Minimum operation to turn all 1s into 0s. And here is the input format for a given question and a constant from 1 to 1000 and 0 to 10 to the power 6. Here I write a code for a given question. I define a function minimum operation and take input n input value n, and I initialize a variable operation to 0 and flip state to false, and I iterating the for loop 30 in 31 comma -1 the iterate from 31 down to 0. We are considering 32-bit representation. The loop start from 31 MSB to 0 LSB. Why we are iterating from MSB to LSB? The answer is because flipping at index 1 affect all bits to right. So we start from the leftmost one to minimize the operation, and bit is equal to n greater than I and x1. It is used for extract the ith bit, shift n right bit by 1 bit and bringing the ith bit to rightmost position, and 1 is used for extracting bit either 0 or 1. And here we use condition flip if flip is 1, then it flips the value to 0 and 0 to 1, and if bit is equal to 1, perform a flip operation. If the current bit is 1, we must flip it. This flip toggle all bits to the right, so we update the flip state and return the operation. Here we are use test cases input. Now let's see the example. N is equal to 5 and here n is equal to 5 and binary is equal to 1 0 1. I'm solving this example over here. As you can see, I take example n is equal to 5 and converting the value into its binary value 101. In the starting, the operation is equal to 0 and the flip is equal to false. As you can see, at the index 2, we extracting the bit 1 and checking the flip value. Its flip is equal to false. No previous flip is affected in this bit. For since bit 1 is not, we perform a flip operation and toggle all bits from 2 to 0, and flip state becomes for this bit is true, and operation count should be increases by 1, and finally after affecting it going to be become 101 101 to 0 1 0 for bit 1. Now for we are going to solve for bit 2, 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 going to be 0 0 1 we are going because we are extracting the bit 1, and we as we know the flip is now is true because we changed its previous state, and extracting bit 1 gets flipped, so its state is true. Since it's 1, we perform another flip operation and flip state becomes now false, and operation count increases by 1, so operation count is going to be 2. And now we are in always shifting the right shift. Now we changing the 1 bit to 0, extracting this bit 1, and we check its flip state. Its flip state is now false. Since the bit is 1, we perform the flip operation and its state becomes true, and we count the operations 2 plus 1, so it's become 3. For example, n is equal to 5, we have to perform operation 3 to for minimum operation to turn all 1s into 0. Now let's run the code for this question. Run the question. We pass all the test cases and we successfully run the question, and the status is accepted. Thank you guys.